Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by working on the latch side. Remove the handle trim and unscrew visible fasteners while noting screw positions so you can reverse the process. Once the trim is off, depress the cam or tailpiece to align the cylinder and slide the retaining clip or pin out. Make sure to keep small parts in a container. This prevents loss and speeds reassembly. You're aiming to free the cylinder without forcing it. Gentle wiggling with steady pull releases it safely. Once the cylinder is out, inspect the plug and housing for seized pins, corrosion, or broken springs. You need to know why it failed. Carefully use a follower tool to push the plug out while capturing springs and driver pins in sequence. This keeps the pin order intact. Clean each component with a safe solvent and a rag, remove burrs with fine file if needed, and replace any bent or damaged pins or springs before light lubrication to ensure smooth reassembly. You finish by reinstalling the plug with pins in their original order and seating it with the follower so none fall into the housing. Fit the retaining clip and reinstall the cylinder in the door. Once mounted, cycle the key 5 to 10 times slowly to seat pins and confirm smooth operation, then test the lock from both sides. If binding occurs, stop and recheck pin seating and tailpiece alignment. Clean debris, replace worn parts, and apply a light lubricant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.